Hello, this is Cyber Dragon. Today I'm going to talk about my beauty store, what mybeautysite.com. What it is a website that sells beauty products and help businesses promote them. So you sign up, it's 100% free. What they offer is a logo for your business. You'll open a few, they'll give you a website as well. If you got a referral code from someone, you can input it and you get a percentage of points. Alright, for the free one, there's a free program, Beauty Plus program. The free one is up to 10% commission. Beauty Plus for $299 a year or $39 a month plus setup fee. The acceptable payment is PayPal and other forms of credit cards. You can advertise in the Midwest and East Coast. Nationwide is $99. Midwest, East Coast, $25 a month. So to contact them is mostly by phone call. They also have these are the two programs. 3,000 named products comes with logo, customized store color, add your own links, banners, no commission cap, buy monthly pass, so every 15 days of a month you get paid. And it also has a affiliate program. If you refer people, you also gain a percentage of their sales every month. You start and it's
Hello, I'm Danielle Towns. I'm the creator of the Lock and Gel, also the owner of Cut Creative Salon Suites, and Stylist Solutions Pro has been my best friend. We get all our supplies from there. I refer everybody, go online, they ship right to you, and you can even order the Lock and Gel off of Stylist Solutions Pro.
that was just like one of the videos from hundreds of their users. The company started in 2019. It's made over like a few $1 million in sales. They also have an introduction video, plug video, so you guys can hear.
Stylist Solutions makes it super easy to start your online beauty business. We provide all the tools, training, and products to make your business a success. First, we start with a fully customizable mobile-friendly website. Next, we stock your new store with thousands of name brand beauty products, styling tools, barber supplies, hair extensions, accessories, and much more. The only thing left to do is to tell everyone that your store is open for business and start raking in the cash. When your store receives an order, our team takes over. We process, package, and deliver your customer's order to their doorstep. We even handle your store's customer service. It's the easiest business you'll never have to run. What are you waiting for? Stop being a customer and start being the boss. Your beauty business is only a few clicks away. Oh yeah, no credit card is required to get started.
Alright, so I'll just create an account. So you guys can see the inside of the store. Here's the multiply. Alright, check the accept, submit, and it automatically create your store. Here's the table. Okay. Oh, once you go inside, they'll show you the website, what it looks like, and pretty much you just use your referral link, send to everyone. If they order off your website, you get a percentage, up to 10% commission. And they do all the customer service, shipping, you know, marketing, everything for you. All you gotta do is just put it on websites like social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, to promote your product. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with everyone so they can earn some extra income on the side with mybeautysite.com. And male can also do this too, so they can make extra money as well. Hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.